Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to see how to replace or reuse a bad kick gear of Yamaha Rx 135. This video is a part of a restoration series that I have started of Yamaha Rx 135. I will link the first part of this series in the I button. Also I will link the playlist of the restoration series in the I button, so if you want to follow the restoration series you can do that. Also if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and also press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. With that said, without further ado, let's start with the video. But first, to remove the kick shaft, we need to remove the spring from here. For that we'll need a nose plier. These gears are damaged, I think. As you can see, these teeths 1, 2, 3 are damaged. You can still use this gear. How? Let me tell you. See, when you press the kick, this gear never rotates fully. It just rotates say halfway. So because of that, only these teeths are damaged due to constantly engaging and re-engaging. So what you can do is you can just rotate this gear. As you can see, these teeths are perfectly fine. So just rotate the gear and reassemble it, so that the undamaged teeth are now going to engage when you press the key, and you can still use this gear. This spring goes in this hole, this hole. So now this bushing will go like this, so that this slot gets in between this end of the spring. So now I have aligned that slot with the spring. while installing the kick shaft, this stopper rests here and this spring goes in here. Install this spring here at this point only, because when you install the clutch you won't be able to turn this spring from here because the clutch will be in the way. So before installing the clutch, install the kick shaft and install the spring.